And start. So this video is going to show us how to use a dichotomous key. So you can see at the top here that there are 6 different animals, and we're going to pretend that we don't know what those animals are. So let's start with the first animal. We're going to use our dichotomous key to classify this first animal. So looking at the first animal number here. To start the dichotomous key, we're going to start at step 1 right here. And we look at 1A versus 1B. So for 1A, does it have a backbone or does it not have a backbone? Looking at the organism that we have here, it is sitting upright, so we can kind of tell that it does have a backbone. So yes, it has a backbone, so we're going to follow 1A to the instructions that it gives us. And it tells us go to step 2. So now we go to step 2 here. 2A says, does it have wings? 2B says, does it not have wings? This does not have wings, so it tells us go to 3. So now we're going to step 3. Does it have legs or does it not have legs? This organism does not have legs, so we can tell that it is a snake. We're going to move on to organism number 2 and do the same steps with this. So I'm going to label this snake because now we know what it's called. For organism 2, same exact process. You always start at step 1. So look at step 1A and step 1B. Does it have a backbone? Does it not have a backbone? This one does have a backbone, so we're going to go to 2. Does it have wings? Does it not have wings? It does not have wings, so we're going to go to 3. Number 3, does it have legs? Does it not have legs? This one does have legs, so we're going to keep going. It tells us to go to 4. Does it have a shell? Does it not have a shell? It does not have a shell, so this must be our lizard. Woo! We can label it lizard. Awesome. So now we have finished that one. Let's erase and go to the third organism. So looking at our third organism here, same exact process. Start at step 1. Does it have a backbone? Does it not have a backbone? And this one, it might be hard to tell, but he is holding his head up. So based on that, you can kind of tell that he has a backbone. So yes, he has a backbone. We're going to go to 2. No, he does not have wings. We're going to go to 3. Yes, he has legs. We're going to go to 4. Yes, he has a shell, so he must be a tortoise. All right, we're going to do one more example of this just so that you can see. Looking at organism number 4. Again, same process as always. Start at number 1. Does it have a backbone? Does it not have a backbone? This one does not have a backbone. So instead of going to number 2, we're going to go to 5. So remember that you're always following the instructions of what it has. This one doesn't have a backbone, so you're going to follow those instructions, go to 5. So now we're going to jump all the way down to number 5. And we're going to look, does it have an antenna or does it not have an antenna? And this one does not have an antenna, so this must be our spider. All right, so that's how you classify things using a dichotomous key.